Hello again. Today I'm going to make a Malaysian cake which is called a kuih. And this kuih is something that I've learned to make many years ago. And we used to buy this from the shop or in the market or from the stall, or sometimes the cake seller will come around our streets and we will buy from him. We sometimes go to the Malay shop just opposite our house to buy in little packets, a little basket shaped out of banana leaves. Hi, I'm Loretali, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey in the UK. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So today let's go and make Ondeh Ondeh. It's a very popular snack in Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia, and it is so easy to make. For the Ondeh Ondeh, we're going to make a very simple one. We have 200 grams of glutinous rice flour, palm sugar which is about 80 grams, which needs to be shredded. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar to make it slightly sweeter, and 50 grams of desiccated coconut, which I have added a pinch of salt. To make the dough, we add some water, almost the same amount as the flour. Now we add on some pandan coloring and essence, and then we mix it up. We have mixed it up nicely. This is the color that I want. It could be darker, but I think this is enough. So it's all properly mixed up. Okay, this is done. So let's make the mochi. Just take one. I think I'll make it big this time so it's easier to handle. Make it marble size. Press a hole in there. Take some sugar and bring it up the edges, and then we seal it. Make sure everything is sealed up, and then we roll into a ball. There you are. Okay, we'll do another one. I think this little teaspoon is good because it gives you a sort of a round thing. Yeah. Okay, now we drop this in the boiling water. I think there's not enough water. Add more so it can float. Add another one. Okay, we may let it boil. So now it has floated up. Okay, let's take one up. Straight to the coconut. Okay, it's done. So here it is, my finished product. Big balls on a small plate. We're going to try, I've got 2 here, so I'm going to try one. Now Ondeh Ondeh, you cannot just bite it into 2 because there's sugar inside and the sugar might squeeze out. So I'm going to eat it full. It's a whole lot of things to chew because it's one whole ball and it tastes very nice. Ondeh Ondeh itself, the dough is like mochi. It's made from glutinous rice flour, or they call it sweet rice flour. And then inside I have this palm sugar. Is from Thailand, not Malaysia, so it's not that dark. And then the outer layer coating is actually desiccated coconut with some salt added. So the taste is, you can taste the sweetness, the stickiness, the gooiness and the saltiness. So it's exactly what I used to have back home in Malaysia. So this ondeh, we usually have it for tea as well, and it goes well with coffee or teh tarik. So I hope you enjoy making it. It's a very, very simple dessert to make. Well, we call it a dessert, but it's actually a snack. So please feel free to try, and it's so easy. So until the next time, I'll see you again. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. Bye now. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you. See you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.